Hey everybody, Rob here for Southwest Florida Television. Well, I've had a wonderful Friday morning down on the beach by the Naples Pier. The reconstruction of the pier has started. It's actually construction of a whole new pier. Right now, the first step is getting rid of the old pier. You can see it's closed, the beach is closed off here. Beautiful weather though. Really can't see anything happening yet. They've been working since Tuesday. It pretty much looks the same. They're working up at the base of the pier by the restrooms. So you can get out onto the beach here at either Broad or 13th Avenue South. Just adhere to the closed beach signs. There is parking. There's a little bit of parking in the parking lot. A couple aisles are open. The street parking over by Palm Cottage, that's open there by the sidewalk. There's some street parking on Broad and 13th. They got restrooms, little porta potties. Since the bathrooms are closed at the pier, they have porta potties at Broad and at 13th. Check out this video from earlier this morning. These gorgeous colors and all of the birds. Go back and watch the replay of this morning's live feed. Beautiful, huh? Beautiful colors, look at that. We had some pinks, and then a little later on, the pinks turned to yellows. Like I said, I had an absolutely gorgeous, glorious, beautiful walk. Give you one last look at the pier here. Hit that share button. I know a lot of folks are wanting to know what's going on. There's a link in the text description of this post that you can click on and stay kind of up to date with what's going on with the rebuilding. A lot of wonderful memories made here at this pier. It's going to be sad to see it finally go. All the birds that used to hang out on the end, not as many now. It did become a bird sanctuary out there. Now there's not much out there, some pelicans. Hey, thanks for watching. Thanks for allowing me into your lives and onto your screens. Until next time, stay safe, stay healthy, and stay strong. Tally-ho, my friends, tally-ho. For Southwest Florida Television, I'm Rick Stan. God bless.